Okay, welcome to D1 Trade. I'm D1. This channel is for my personal day trade recording. So it not only records my trading actions, but also my psychology situation, mental status in real time. This is for my own reflection only. It's not for any financial advices, and we are not reliable for any outcome if you follow the discussion in this session. So today is January the 7th, 9:57 a.m. PST. Um, it seems this is bullish, bullish. If we look at the 50-minute graph, sideways and bullish flag and break. This is like again textbook. So probably you will retest to here if you retest, or maybe here. But overall, it's on the uptrend. It's on the uptrend. So it looks like we miss the very beginning of this retest. Then we'll see retest to ENA 21 and get rejected. Retest to ENA 21 and get rejected. So the real support, dynamic support is on ENA 21, it seems. But for ES, let's look at ES. It looks like it has more intention to go down. Huh. So we'll see. It already break ENA 21, and it looks like, see, the ENA 9 has changed the direction and trying to come close to ENA 21. Even it cross, then there are opportunity to back test to ENA 21 a little bit above. So we'll see. Overall, it's an uptrend, so potential support happens here. This is 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So we'll wait for the compression, but we'll see 3 minutes if there's any patterns. It looks like something, and this is the liquidity speed and going down. Well, in that way, well, if this is the liquidity speed, then it should go a long way. I'm not sure. Because it's very intimidating to go short in the middle. Especially during this overall uptrend. We'll wait until it breaks something here and retest. And let this ENA 9 cross ENA 21. This is consolidation. Let's wait for the, oh, it's a new candle. It's already 10. So new candle here. Right, yes, retest to here. I mean, it's almost reached the support level. It might not be the good decision to go short here. Let's see. Because for NQ, it has not break the ENA 21, and we have seen the ENA 21 performs the real support. So just need to watch the reaction. If it break and it has and showing a downward engulfing, then we go short. But if it gets rejected, it has an engulfing upward, either 3 minutes or 5 minutes, then we will go long because this is a bull trend, uptrend. Overall, is an uptrend. Yeah, there are some RSI divergence and RSI something. Whenever RSI reach this level, then there is some deep retest, something. 3 minute, 3 minute. Hmm. Looks like this is a channel, and you just reach the top of the channel, and then moving either sideways. In this time, in this way, we don't make too many profit, but the space becomes smaller, and when the upper bow, the lower bow of the channel catches up, it bounces back. That's the risk of going reverse trend. Like if you sideways like this, then you don't make too many profit, and bounce back, and the upward space is a lot. So that's the risk. This seems like a consolidation. It could probably mean it continue go down. So you cannot go up and down, and we'll see. We will see. See, this is sideways. If you look at 3 minutes, sideways. Cannot conclude anything. Especially yes. Oh, it's the upper bound of this sideways area and bounce back. Wait for the completion. You just want to see clearly because it's still in sideways. Although I believe ENA 21 will perform support again, like what they do here. We still want to wait. Because theoretically you will reach the lower bound. And at the lower bound, we'll see. Lower bound the channel, we'll see. Consolidation. This could be a consolidation, or it can be perceived as a downward momentum keeps decreasing. This two candle is big, this becomes smaller, and it reaches unit 21. Okay, we'll see unit 21. If you're gonna retest to pick us up, set the long order at ENA 21 and believe the support in ENA 21. Because we see ES is already the upper bound of this previous something. And here, it shows the buyer is trying to resume control. I'm not sure. Oh, it's just one or two ticks that I don't get on board. Because in 5 minutes, yes, it seems like already engulfing. But for NQ, it's still like not showing any ending symptom. Not showing any symptom for the retest ending. This could be a retest, but if it keeps going down, it could be this could be the reversal. Who knows? Uh, either the ENA 21 or the trend line, there should be some bounce back. Will you trigger ENA 21 or couple something? What about 3 minutes? Uh-oh, for 3 minutes, they cross the ENA 21 and it seems they want to they want to fight back. It seems they want to cross. Hmm. It seems I cannot see clearly. Ah, it seems it's almost there. Almost there. But I'm not sure. So if I don't get on board, I'm totally fine because I'm not sure if this is like consolidation and stretch to the downside or is starting our reversal. If it resume upside, it retest ending here, that's a good sign. I will get on board somewhere. 2 more minutes. That's why. The switch is not that easy. There will be sideways a little bit. Buy step it. Let's see if ENA line performs defense or it performs reject. Somebody still want to sell. One more minute. ENA line, it looks like an ENA line. Now it seems like defense. It could like consolidate at this boundary, and maybe this candle is stretched to the downside. Okay, I get on board. We'll see if this is a stretch. If it's a stretch, I'll see how it reacts at this lower bound. Oh, it creates a lower low. Looks like this is a stretch. Stretch continue to the downside. Hmm. It's something like this. I quit earlier, but essentially it's I missed this trend just because the retest. We'll see here. Uh-oh, it bounced back. If it bounce back, no, this is the trend. This is the trend. If it bounce back here, then if it bounce back here, then my target would be, my take profit target would be the not easy to set here in this chart. Somewhere here, around here. I don't know. Oh, think of it too early. So it seems this is like consolidation, and this now the stretch candle comes in. You're gonna stretch to the downside. Go, and we'll see how it reacts to this lower bound. I will probably add a complementary order here. Mm-mm-mm. Now we see the ENA9 is trying to come close to ENA21 when there is some retest, something here, but it quickly bounce back. And we see another like intention to coming close here. And so that's my hypothesis. Then ENA21 performs the defense and bump it back. If the hypothesis fail, of course I see some RSI divergence. It arises so much and uh it reaches the state level for RSI. But that's for sideways market. But now it falls to here. Every time it falls, it arrive here and falls to here, retest to here. Now it already retest to here. So it's time around the same level. It's time it bounce back. Just need to be patient and wait. It's just that I don't know the lowest point is here. Who knows? I think ENA 21. Sometimes they trigger the ENA 20. They go way under ENA 21, but a lot of time, you see, they just arrive at ENA 21. So I set my entry level at ENA 21. I think that's reasonable. And I like this long rejection. That means this is effective and strong. Bio defense at ENA 21 is effective and strong. Yeah, at least for now. Mm. So if this arrives in graph, that means the ending of this chain. So there is a trend line. If we break this trend line, that means okay, it stop. Start to make some money. Okay, consolidation. Yes, it's another consolidation. We'll look at this. We will look at this candle. Oops. Oh, maybe trying to stretch again. Consolidation 1, 2, 3, 4 and stretch again. Okay. In that way, then probably I need to set a rescue order somewhere here. I stretch again. Trading volume is not that big, so the volatility is not big. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? A sudden volatility comes in and get rejected at the trend line. Mm-hmm. Okay, it arrives at the trend line. Then that's another critical price level we want to observe. But things are not looking good. Now it breaks. Is this RSI divergence effective? Then it keeps lower, lower, lower to oversell. I don't know, but I will set another rescue order here. If it gets triggered, or maybe at the order block. stretch, stretch, stretch. It's gonna be a stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 consolidation. This will be a long stretch to auto here. If you auto here, it's already retest the order block for yes. So here, it will probably retest the upper bound. Wait, 2 more minutes. Now it seems like the lower bound performs the rejection, but it could sideways allow the lower bound. It's just the sideways allow the upper bound, showing some like intention to break to the upside, but eventually it retests. Mm. Oh, somebody want to sell. Who want to sell so much? We'll see. Now it's still to get defended by the lower bound. We'll see the reaction. Okay, one more candle. See if it bounce back. Otherwise, if this gets triggered, then I get into a survival mode. Any micro profit, then I will quit, leave the trade. Not greedy, just be principled. But if you get bounce back by the lower bound, look at yes. Now it's retest to order block. The lower bound of this order block. Here and see if it continues down. Creates the lower low. Now RSI shows pretty low. I mean, if I get on board like this short sell, then it will be very nice. It will be very nice for the trailing stop loss because it's lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, if not equal high, until it meets some resistance level. We see it get rejected at ENA 21 and sideways 2 for 10 minutes and breakout. And this one maybe is a consolidate here at the lower bound of this channel. Oh, looks like some supports, some seller, some buyer defenses here. See if you can break low. Some order block for years. Next one, if this gets triggered, then my next will be here. I don't think it's a reverse today. I mean, overall it's uptrend. This is just some deep retest. That's my hypothesis. Oh, it breaks the lower low. That's not a good news. It creates a lower low here. Let's see 3 minute. And seems some rejection happens here, bounce back. I'm not sure if this is a retest and keep going down or really rejection by this trend channel and keep going up. Oh, stop. And let's see if a reverse pattern happens. But it creates a lower low and lower high. So the downtrend continues. Let's see this one. In this way, just retest this fair value gap. Fair value gap. Uh-oh, keep going down. This is, okay, this is some channel breaks, some channel breaks and retest back to the lower bound of the channel and then going down. And it looks like ENA9 performs some defense. They just retest ENA9 and trying to push it down. Well, in that case, that means 908. Oh no, I just stick to my original plan because for ES, there's no way. See, this is some defense for ES. So I stick to here. I don't know. It looks like now this is bearish. For all of this, something you can perceive, okay, the downward momentum keeps decreasing, and gradually switch back to buyer control. But it can also be perceived as a consolidation. See, gas back, consolidation, stretch, and consolidation. And this is horrible. It could be a stretch. We'll see, yes. Now it just break out of the trend line. Not only does it break the ENA line, but it also break out of the trend line. Oops. It seems some support happens at the upper bound of this of here. It creates a lower low, lower high. So the downtrend continues, and maybe it will trigger my rescue order. Okay, we test to the upper side of this somewhere. See if this engulf. Cannot conclude too much. At least, even if retest to ENA 9, then it's just a retest. You need to break to ENA 21. Otherwise, we're still in rescue mode. It's still downtrend. But if this candle engulf this candle, I'll see 5 minute. If it engulf this candle, then maybe I can move my rescue order somewhere around here. That means there's a verified support, strong support here. Come on, I don't like this long rejection. That means selling pressure is so huge. CES, it keeps breaking to the downside. Maybe it will retest to here. That's another verified support level. Okay, lower low, lower high. 1 more minute. For 5 minutes, still lower low, lower high. Maybe I just need to set my limit order here. If I set order, pick select entry based on, we'll see here. Oh, what? It almost, it actually almost triggered my rescue order. Doo, doo, doo. So keeping up this way, then you will cross. Keep going down. We'll see. Stretch, consolidation, stretch, something. We'll see if this one, oh, if this one fights back. See if it creates a higher high. We will see here. Hmm. Oh, equal high. It looks like finally buyers come back. Get rejected at ENA 9. And okay, I don't know. Get rejected at ENA 9. And long rejection like this is very intimidating. Will trigger my rescue order or something. Create an equal low. This candle looks like buyer still strike. There will be a couple of sideways here, and we'll see. I just want to drag the average price to somewhere here. And once you retest, and I can exit with a micro profit. Then I miss this trend. I miss this big trend. But it's very intimidating to go short in this strong like bullish trend. 5 minutes is still trying. We will see. Now, if you look at 5 minutes, yes, it's already engulfing. So it's time to go long somewhere here. Time to go long somewhere here. A strong bullish candle. So can I expect something here? Oh, this is very strong. It is very intimidating to see retest here and stretch. Consolidate, stretch, consolidate, stretch, consolidate, stretch, and this is super healthy. Super healthy. So I think it's gonna go a long way. So it's very intimidating here. And it almost triggered my rescue order. Uh, yeah, I prefer it triggers. Then I would drag the average price somewhere here. Oh, will you get rejected by ENA line? Because I think this is a retest to here, and keep going up. This is strong momentum, showing that buyers control. Let's look at yes. Get rejected by ENA line. Look at this new candle. This still shows buyer control, buyer fight back. So going forward, you will do. I'm expecting an equal high. I'm expecting an equal high. Mm. Let's see. ENA line. Now this is where the battle happens. But the buyer has closed about here. Let's see, 5 minutes. Oh, 5 minutes, it just retest to the previous resistance. And see. Now this is still retest. It's not a reversal. Even 0.6 is a retest. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is the retest. The uptrend resumes. Gonna go up. Still resume the uptrend. Overall is uptrend today. What about yes? Oh my god, yes, still shows some downward intention. While NQ has become a green candle for this one, for this 5 minute candle. Yes, shows downward intention. Yeah, that's fair because in today's market, ES just showing more downward intention, while NQ shows more upward intention, trying to catch up. We'll see this one. This could be a consolidation. Stretch and consolidation at the boundary at the yen line and stretch. Consolidation and stretch. So I'm expecting like 20 minutes or maybe longer to arrive at my trigger profit. Profit trigger. Take profit trigger. So it's staggering here. Sideways, buyers and sellers are even. Okay, stretch. This is consolidation. Stretch to somewhere here. And consolidation and stretch. See, yes. If yes shows this covering, this engulf, this previous bully bearish candle, then it confirms this pattern. Upward, upward. Probably I don't need this one anymore. I'll wait for the completion of this candle and set the trading stop loss. It's supposed to be a stretch, but if it gets rejected, then this becomes another consolidation. That is like something here. But liquidity speed, if there's a liquidity speed, then it's higher. Nine six one 300 300. We'll see. If we can eventually arrive here, there will be some struggle in the middle. So we need to apply our trading stop loss in a very conservative manner because we have confidence on this channel. So just a little bit outbreak and quickly bounce back, which means this channel is still effective and still going down, going up. See, this stretch is just so strong. This stretch is so strong. Okay. Yes, yes, touches the ENA 21. Let's see how the ENA 21 performs. So probably Stretch, consolidate, stretch, consolidate. Come on. Look at ES. If ES can break the ENA 21, that means something. Because for NQ, it already breaks. And the ENA 9 does not even cross the ENA 21 and just resume back upward, trying to leave and trying to create some distance. So this is a deep retest. This is a deep, this is not that deep, and this is sideways after a huge spike sideways. So something like this. That's reasonable. That's understandable. Totally understandable. I just want to watch ES, see if you can write the ENA 21. 20 point. Okay, this is stretch. And I'll probably set up some trailing stop loss here. Or should I just take profit here? No, because I think it's gonna stretch up. One more minute, we'll see. ENA 21, it should not retest to ENA 21. So let's set a trailing stop loss here just in case. Anything can happen, right? Oh. Hmm. Okay, retest. And here it still retests. But if we outbound, then probably I need to quit and see ES. But ES is like trying, it has the intention to go down. So let's just focus on the NQ chart. Oh my God, this is consolidation. Bounce back. That means buyers still control the market. Okay, ES going up. ES almost become green. But it shows the ENA 21 performs some defense. See if it outbreak. Outbreak ENA 21. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing. I don't like deep retest, and you have performed a deep retest. Healthy proceed, and that makes me very intimidating. If you are overstretched, and I don't need to worry about it, I think there could be some deep retest and can get bounced back. But now you retest like this, that could mean it goes a long way. It keeps going down, 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 gone. So even set my rescue order here, and it'll be intimidating. Oh, yes, create a higher high. That's great. Keep going. So NK will follow higher high. Come on. Keep going. So every time it looks like it retests to the upper bound of this sideway. Jesus. higher high. Okay, rejected. So this is a consolidation. 2 more minutes. Consolidation, stretch. Consolidation, stretch. This is a consolidation. It looks like a consolidation. Something like this Dow chart. Consolidate, stretch, consolidate, stretch. Something. Wait for a couple of minutes. See if ES can close above ENA 21. 1 more minute. 嗯。Okay, buyers are fully control, at least for now. Okay, a new candle. This is consolidation. See, it's so small. A new candle, we'll see. It could continue like consolidation, staggering around. Because if it's a stretch candle, then it will go very soon at the very beginning. But now it looks like it's still like consolidate. Buyers and sellers are battling. Uh, 700. Let's see. Yes, trying to create a higher high, and it does not fall back underneath ENA 21. So NQ will be, I mean, probably another consolidation. But as long as it's still a green candle, that's great. That's fine. It's okay. You are small. Consolidation and stretch and consolidation and stretch. Keep going. Uh-oh. Yes. Oh, yes, boost. Boost it to go to the upside. Yeah, it's here. It should not retest here, otherwise it's potential. Let the ENA line catches up and a little bit above ENA line. This is a consolidation. See, yes, strong intention to go up, up. Uh, 3 more minutes. Let's see. Go out as a stretch, then I'll move my trading stop loss here. But if you consolidate, then I'll hold my stop loss here. Eventually, this is gonna be a green trade, make some money more or less. Oh, it's consolidation. It gets back. Yeah, sideways around here. So But even get pushed back, it does not create a lower low. And ES shows very strong intention, fully controlled by the bias. Mhm. Mhm. Maybe I should move my trading stop loss to here because it looks like if it's a star and something goes back here, that is a reversal pattern. See, this is a reversal. God, one more minute. Let's see this candle. For years, it's still green and it keeps going up. It's just long rejection. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Damn. I hate this deep retest. I hate this that deep retest. But if it shows some signs in this way, see, this is a break, but it's break a little bit, so I'm a little bit hesitate. And retest to here. It shows like this is let me see 3 minutes. Oh so this is the previous resistance. Previous support becomes new resistance. And something it grows so huge. Let's see. Don't do a market order. Always trust retest. Sell something here. I don't believe this is a deep retest because the structure is it just get rejected and bounce back here. Mm, around here. Okay. I will see. If it creates a lower low, then probably I will sell market 5 order. Very small order. But it could probably bounce back. If it bounce back at this is a 0.6, then it's just a retest of this. We'll see this one. They could probably like retest here and start to get back up. But wait a minute, can we confirm Dow trend? Something, something, something. No, we cannot. But we should not enter into a trade too early, at least unless we see the confirmation candle. Even though we make sure there is something. Who knows if it's a bull flag, something like this, then it reaches here and bounce back, reaches here, bull flag. So let's wait. It's in the middle of this range. It's not good to start. Oh, 740. $740, I don't take profit. Okay, only 376. And what about trade? Most recent trade. Oh, 300 something. About half of the peak profit. See, I want to see this something. And when they have some decision, somebody bounce back, either go down or go up, then I will buy in. Hmm. $958. Then I can do a sell market here. Hmm. Okay, let's get on board. So big thing is that you're gonna add a complementary and exit. If things are not as I expected, it bounce back here, then we exit. It's micro profit, but if things going down, then we don't miss this trade. It going down, we're probably here. Oh, yeah, you're gonna fool me. I think it breaks. Hmm. Yeah, I get fooled. So my rescue order is at the ENA line. This is huge. Maybe if I apply like trading stop based on 3 minute line, that will secure more profit. Uh, oh, it cannot create a low low. So probably I go short at the bottom. Go on. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Video catch retest to in a line. So it's sideways here. The sideways does not end so long, so fast. It becomes sideways in the middle. Even it shows some big momentum, consolidation, and something like this. Still need to wait for the compression. Yeah, I'm not greedy. Just see this. Um, oops, you want to retest. Now this is like trying to trying to secure the territory. Let me put it this way. And now you want to defense. I think some defense is happening right here, and the sellers been buyers still trying, but sellers been. Oh, let's see. Yes, 5 minutes keeps moving down. Okay. Hmm. 2 more minutes. It's not appropriate to increase position because this is an awkward situation. It's middle. This candle is just too huge. Maybe I just should not trade this one. But this one is a little bit risky, so I use a smaller, I apply smaller position so that I have some rescue space somewhere here. Oh, it looks like this is a stretch, and hopefully this is some stretch. Okay, so cup handle, reverse cup handle, finish. For yes, reverse cup handle, but it's still uptrend. Is it a reverse pattern? This is an awkward situation. It's still uptrend, and for ES, it does not. For NQ, it reaches the equal low, but for ES, it does not reach an equal low. It shows some lack of downward momentum going forward, going down. So a little bit intimidating to go short here. Oops. It seems like this is a channel along here. Now let's draw the channel. Oh, yeah, this is up channel, down channel. I'm not sure if this is a bull flag. Here, let's see the reaction of here. I don't like this big momentum. It makes the next candle very difficult to engulf. Yeah, it's very intimidating to go long here. But this is a bull flag, I guess. And it's equally intimidating to go short even with see engulfing because it will go up. So if you think you're gonna go up, then maybe let's try. See if it triggers me, triggers my get me on board. Okay, I get on board. So let's see if it's effective for this lower bound of this channel. It's like flag. The hypothesis that this is a bull flag and it's something and goes up, break to the upside. So we'll see. Uh, of course, this is intimidating considering this big momentum, downward momentum, bearish momentum. And the ENI cross the ENI 21, pushing downward. So this without like upward confirmation candle, this is pretty much like catching the flying knife. Oh no, something like this happens. Mm-hmm. We'll see how you react here. If we extend it. Let's see. Okay, the support level is here. If it is a flag, then you should bounce back somewhere to here. Somewhere around here. We'll see. Hmm. One more minute. Let's see this candle. If you close underneath this trend channel. Oh, so you retest to this order block. Get rejected. Okay. And my entry price is okay, bounce back, some reaction. See if this candle is green. Oh no. It looks like it's trying to push down. If it creates a lower low, then maybe I need to figure out get into a rescue mode. Or maybe I should just quit the trade because this is a flush. This looks like there's so much space to get down. Mhm. Oh, it does not create a lower low. That's a good sign. So after we adjust the trend channel, then it looks like it's still effective. But hey, it should align somewhere here. And now it just push, maybe just going down. Keep going down. God damn. Okay, this is too big. Unhealthy stretch, momentum stretch. So it's not healthy here. If it keeps going down, then chances are that let's see 3 minute. Oh, 3 minute is like healthy. Consolidation stretch, consolidation stretch, consolidation stretch. God, this is healthy. Oh, it falls back. Stretch, consolidation, stretch, something, something. So let's capture something here. Look at here. It looks like shoulder, hand, shoulder. But I think this is like retest to this upper bow. So I get a long order here. Oh, oh, some support step in here. So it's some range like this. Let's see if this lower side happens. If this lower bow effective. Anyway, you should retest to ENA line. Is it? If you retest to ENA line, yeah, it's here at the upper bound of this board flag. Oh, this is very intimidating candle, especially there is no fair value gap. Very little fair value gap here. Very little here. But this is huge. Oh, we'll see if this channel, if this is a nice reaction. That means the buyer's defense step in. Oh, oh, sellers keep trying. So I just green for a couple of seconds. Then, and it's still like lower high, lower low. Then downtrend continues. Then but so far this lower bound seems effective. Mm, mm. What's really effective is the lower bound of this, but I just want to see this is some duplicate, some duplicate. So the lower bound this is super conservative. I need to get a super conservative something to drag as much as possible. The ENA9 catches speed up, catching up. That's not a good sign. Come on. Hmm. Let's see. Oh, it has some green, but get pushed back. Some green get pushed back. So it's like lower, low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high. This is a higher low. This is lower high. This is higher low. So this is triangle. Now the market doesn't know where to go. It looks like buyer and seller becomes even from this huge downward momentum to become even. It can be perceived as a reverse, the beginning of a reverse, or it can be perceived as the consolidation and keep stretching to the downside. Oops, it looks like it's consolidation. Mm-hmm. Look at ES. ES. Oh, 2 more minutes. We'll see. Mhm. Oops, is sideways. Consolidation, continue consolidation. Maybe this lower bound is effective and bounce back. So buyers and sellers becomes even from this huge downward come to something. So either it switch and bounce back, or it just consolidate and keep pushing down. Let's look at 5 minutes. Okay, a new candle happens. For now, it looks like green. Look at yes, it's green. This is a retest. Maybe it's keep going down. Although this create a higher low. Oh, lower low. Oh, I don't like this pattern. I don't like this setup. Without retesting to the ENA line, you just keep going down without retest to the ENA line. You seriously? Mm-hmm. The downtrend continues, but it does not break this line. Here, huh? Oh. God, Jesus. God, Jesus. Mm. This is like lower low, so maybe it bounce back, but I only expect somewhere here. Actually, I will probably take profit here because this is the previous support, so it will probably become the new resistance. Go. It looks like a flush, not a flush. See, it gets rejected here. Why do I see set it here? Because it touches the previous resistance, which shows proven like support here. So maybe I can move it up a little bit. So this represents the final support. Let's see. Maybe I can move the rescue order here and then set a stop loss, final stop loss here. I don't know. Oh, this is another red candle. One more 5 minute. This is pretty much like a consolidation stretch, something. So you continue downside. So this is very intimidating because there is no overstretch, but it already touches the, if you see, lower down something at the same price, some here. The RSI is at 60, but now it becomes so low. Oh, and for RSI, for ES, it shows the reverse setup, but this is the first mini. We don't know. It does not create a higher high though. So maybe we can move it to somewhere here. Now ES shows some back reverse setup. So this is like bear flag. For ES, let's see for ES. If we draw the trend line backward. Oh, why is so difficult to draw the trend line? So need to confirm trend line. Well. It looks like this is a trend channel. Okay, when you arrive at the upper bound, I will quit. Same thing for NQ. Oh, engulfing. Yeah, the second place, the second engulfing. 2 more minutes. I want it to stabilize as engulfing, and then I'll move my rescue order somewhere here and set my stop loss somewhere here. Oh, okay, new candle. So I'll move my rescue order somewhere here. So maybe it's a double top, a double bottom before it bounce back. Yeah, somewhere here. CES get rejected by yen and 9 and bounce back. Um, oops. Yeah, still green. But angle shows red. Oh my God, what's going on? Maybe this is a consolidation. Something here. And for angle, it's still like very little retest, even 2.6. Oh, it got rejected by yen and 9. That's not a good thing. That probably means it will continue to go down. It's not a good thing. Oh. Let's look at this candle, how it behaves. This is most likely a consolidation candle, and the next one is going to be stretch. You consolidate here. Because it just show a standard like reverse setup at the lower bound. And even some triangle sideways here, I would not be surprised. But eventually will keep going up. If this is a bull flag, oh, bull flag. This is very intimidating. Very intimidating. Oh, yes, shows some downward rejection. What's going on? If it cannot cross the middle line of the channel, that means something. That means something. One more minute, we'll see. Oops. Some momentum comes in at the last minute of this 5-minute candle. Let's see. NQ touches the ENA 9. Let's see the reaction. Okay, consolidation, candle, finish. If this is a reverse or the upward stretch. Somebody are selling at ENA 9. That makes sense. They say, okay, this is a downtrend. You're gonna retest ENA line. I'm gonna put the limit order sell. See? But if the majority of the market are trying to buy, push it back to the somewhere here at the upper bound of this fact. Oh, this looks like a reverse. ESS show a standard reverse. So essentially, this is a sideways get rejected by previous support because of new resistance. So sideways here, around here, sideways around here, and I put a long trade at the upper bound of this sideways. Because this is already a bearish trend. So maybe I should just look for opportunity to go short, but overall, this is still uptrend. So this looks like a bull flag, something, and keep going up. Conflicting conclusion. Yeah, let's set the take profit here. Maybe it's too early, but who knows? We'll see how this bull flag performs. If it's really a bull flag, it looks like yes, it gets rejection. If trying to fool me as a standard reverse, but I just want to watch the complexion of this candle. And now it like rejection. So this looks like sideways around here after the break. This is a sideways and break and sideways break. Oh. But it looks like ENN9 is performing some defense. This is very intimidating. I just want to quit this trade with a micro profit like now because yeah, it seems like ENN9 is pushing it back, pushing it down. Okay, look at the new candle. Mm. Sideways, but it does not pass the middle of the trend channel. And as long as it goes further, the profit space is less. So, oh, ENA9 push it down. Uh, let's see. Now, looks like this is a bearish. This is bull flag that shows bearish. Hmm. The thing is, I don't see any ES and IS and NQ divergence. I don't see a RSI something. So it falls super low, but it only falls to here. Where's here? Yeah, this is an RSI divergence. It's so low. It's so low. Uh, it falls so low, but the action price action just fall at the same level with this one, comparing this one. Even so many people want to sell, then no, does not fall too much. That means the big money does not move. Big money does not leave. They still want to go up. Oh, let's see. Still sideways here. Hmm. Hmm. Fine. I just want to quit this trade. Hmm. buyers and sellers are even at this area. Oh, it looks like still sideways. I mean, given some time, there are bigger chances that it's gonna go up. I'm not sure how long this flag gonna go. So it's like something like this. Mm. But eventually it will break. It will break to the upside. Hmm. That's how I perceive the chart. Uh-oh. 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 Look at ES. ES already reached the support, but NQ still less than half. ES already reached here. When you reach here, your the support, the bio defense will step in, hopefully. While NQ less than half. So it shows an intention to go up. Hmm. I will see. It's possible that it keeps going, just flash go down because it does not even cross the middle bar, the middle line of the channel. That's some very make me concerned. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Sideways. Hmm. Maybe just patient. Still sideways, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, it looks like my network is cut, so it does not move. At any single time, there will be conflicting, conflicting conclusion. Really depends on how you perceive the chart. On a bigger time frame, this is the retest. Retest. I'm not sure when it's ending, but based on yes, the thing is ending here. Gonna push up. I'm not sure. Conservatively speaking, I just said that realistic. Realistic take profit will be here or here, and it could going up. Okay, a new candle. It's still sideways. Still sideways. And it does not exist the ENA 9. That's what makes me intimidating a little bit. See, the ENA 9 is always performing some defense. does not it does not exist, right? The ENA 9. ENA 9 keeps pushing it down. Hmm. And for ES, the ENA 9 moving down continuously. While for NQ, the ENA 9 shows some like round. It does not drop sharply like this one. It's round something. Mm-hmm. iOS. And we need to know iOS. And why somebody work on iOS? We need to know Swift. We need to know Kotlin. Oh my God. This sideways like it looks like I go long at the boundary of a sideway. It's not feeling good. Especially this looks like a down trend. Yen and I keep pushing down. Oh my God. And go back down. Let's see, yes. Please go back down. So if you go cross the lower bound, then it's probably here because the lower bound extended to somewhere here. Oh, one more minute. Couple more candle, then the lower bound extends to here, this line, visualize this price level. This looks like it keeps continuing down. Cannot increase position here. But for ES, it reaches the support level. ES reaches support level. The eventual support level will be here. So some space, that's why I reserve some space here. It's supposed to extend this line. I think this is upward uptrend today. If you look at 15 minutes, this is uptrend. But since this is my rescue order, so I'll probably set it here. 12. Hmm. Does not cover this. It's very difficult to cover this. Now you just retest the previous support. So this is can only be treated as retest. See this like 0.6 of this bearish candle. So retest and keep going down. So cannot increase position here. We'll see yes how it reacts to this support layer. I expect the real support comes in somewhere here, and correspondingly, the NQ will probably arrive here or here. When yes, arrive here. Okay, I think that's enough. support here. CES support comes in, so it may not necessarily fall back force to here. Oh, ES ending up to be a bearish, so this could be a consolidation, but NQ just shows them backward. I don't know. See, if you're gonna retest to and pick us on ball. It will probably like retest multiple times. Oh, yes, gonna break. Stretch. Hmm. Sideway. Not sure if it's double bottom. This RSI is too low comparing with the RSI at the same price level. This is too low. So probably it will bounce back to here. To here. Now ES is in the middle line of the channel. Got so you can move up or down. That's reasonable. That is something I don't want to get into a trade, but unfortunately I'm in a trade. I go long at the upper bound or sideways. God. Hmm? Is it network issue? Why the price does not move? Oh, NQ still move. It's ES, don't move. Oh, move one tick. Okay. Mhm. Oh, ES gonna break. ES gonna break. Come on. What about this bull flag? What about this bull flag? Oh, it looks like sellers recharge and win. So the market keeps going down. I'm not sure. See, this line, it does not trigger my rescue order, which means it does not create a lower low. Yep. But the ENA line keeps moving down. That's some concern. Some resistance here. See, resistance here. Some support here. Bumping up. I don't know. Okay. Keep moving down. It keeps moving down. And next will be here. Next rescue order will be here. Let's move into 20. Something here. Look at ES. Look at the reaction of ES. Maybe just trying to retest the lower bound again. Yeah, but here is the final support. This is the final support. It creates a lower low, but it's in a downtrend channel. Oh, you don't retest. Once you retest, it will break and at equal height. This is like, okay, bullish flag. But if ES create break this opening range and all day low, that's another story. That will probably means it breaks the 30% threshold. From NQ, today the market is over of something. So this can only be treated as a bull flag at this time. Bull flag. Hmm. Let's see. Today is Wednesday. I guess no news. Otherwise, the trading volume will not be so small. 12, and there's no any FOMC meeting or any economy event. So this is some retest, I guess. Mm-mm-mm. Flash sell. Jesus, this is crazy. Why sudden flash sell? Something like this is triangle sideways and break. Then this way, I will probably need to rescue. Enter into survival mode. Okay, enter into survival mode. This is 40. And 40 back to ENA line. Assuming your back test to ENA line. So this is a reversal, not a retest. And now you just enter into this sideways, the battle area. See if it continues to go down. What's going on? Oops. So the support step in here. Okay, yes. We'll see how it reacts to this trend line. If it gets rejected by this trend line, then probably I need to quit. Oh, it does not even reach this trend line. God, the selling momentum is just so huge. Mm-hmm. Well, it will be bad if this is a consolidation. Then that means the next candle could potentially be the stretch and trigger my liquidation and gonna blow account one day. But if this candle shows a reversal like green with some amount of size, that's good. That means a potential reversal. This is sideways for so long, so okay. Then it's potential reverse. 2 more minutes, we'll see the compression, how it ended up. What about ES? How ES reacts to this one? ES move something up here. Let's see. It's very difficult to engulf this candle. It's too huge. God, but it reaches the final support. That's where my confidence come in. This is a low all day low, and it touches here. So the support, if today gonna ends up to be a bullish, then this support gonna bounce back. That's where my confidence comes. Oh, it retest here, not even at the end of the line, and just get rejected. No way. Don't fool me like this. But ENA, ES just see if it engulf. That means seller resume. Seller resume. If it touches here, then maybe I need to apply stop loss. So the hypothesis is that when ES reaches here, support comes in and bump it up, bump it back. But if it breaks this level, it breaks, that means we need to rethink of the situation. Now this is the battlefield. Some support step in. That's the all day low. Some support step in. Let's see. But the ENA line keeps moving down. Oh, ES just engulf. ES engulf. That means seller dominate buyer. And still 3 more minutes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, so this is actually a bearish trend. Why should I just go long? Why? And what am I thinking? Why not go long? Maybe this is a reverse. Then I need to rethink. After it has shown some break of structure, then I should rethink. I need to quit the trade with some micro profit and see if this engulfing downward happens. Then I just need to go short. Oh, let's see if the support is still effective. No, there to think. or it bounced back to here, but maybe I should think of stop loss somewhere around here. 101. God, this is 101 something. I saw it gonna get rejected here again. Let's see this candle. Oh, it keeps going down. Oh, it keeps bump. Oh, yes, bumps back. So the support step in. Oh, oh, everybody just want to sell. Maybe I just need to apply my stop loss here. See if it triggers. Uh, this looks like oh, it's bearish. So oh, oh, yes, break to the downside. So it got rejected for the all day low here. It get, but it continues to go down. NQ just go a long way, and the final here, but it's under my liquidation. God damn. So this is bearish. So this RSI divergence is malfunction. Cannot compare this one with something at the same level. If you compare with same level, they are here. They are here. Everybody want to buy. Here, everybody want to sell. And lower low created. I think it's lower low, a little bit lower low. For years, it's already breakout. It's breakout to the downside. Flush. NQ still get rejected. No, it continues to play lower low. This is this is consolidate and stretch. This is a flush sell. So this channel malfunctions. Oh my God. ES breakout. NQ just get rejected. NQ has an intention to go up today. ES has an intention to go down. ES is gray a little bit about the all day low. So I will see if there's any retest back to ENA 21. I only think ENA 21 at this time. Let's look at this new candle. Oh, so this is consolidation. This is flash to the downside. Look at yes. Is it flash? Oh, lower low created. Okay, rejected. Battlefield here, around here, but when you arrive here, it's very dangerous. Okay, battlefield, battlefield. It looks like there's some news that it just flashed to the downside. So maybe I should just quit this trade. Yes, just break down. What's going on? Buyer support finally step in at here. That's what I'm waiting for. Because this is the battlefield. Some battles, some strong bounce back, strong upward happens here. And it's extremely low for the RSI. So we'll see. 2 more minutes. 1 more minute and see how it reacts. Oh, it just retest. So keep straight down. Keep flush. Oh, order execution. Apex account removed, so I blow my account. I blow my account in one trade again. It suddenly just flash and I assume you will get this is the trend downward bullish bull flag. So you'll be bounced back and see this engulfing something something. So maybe I should just set a stop loss somewhere here. Even after something I try to rescue, I think okay, this is liquidity speed and it's gonna bounce back. So I bite into my tray. I buy to my tray too much. I should strictly execute the strategy like if he breaks here, I just set a stop loss here if he breaks. So I terminate early on and go short something to take this trend. But who knows? And at the very beginning, I see this one. I still see, okay, this is a sideways triangle, maybe sideways triangle. This is a verified support and something triangle and going up. But after I see this, I should realize that, okay, okay, then I blow my account. Oh, in one trade. This is a sad story. So much for today.